Hi, and good afternoon, everybody. This is Drew. We're going to take a look at our Jiffy seed starting greenhouse. Since we swelled up the pucks last week, we've gone ahead and we've planted some seeds. So the first 12 pucks here are for these big tomatoes. They're going to weigh about 2 pounds, 1 to 2 pounds when they're fully grown. Then we have these hybrid beefsteak tomatoes, and we've got another 12 of those. We've got 12 of the Roma tomatoes. Italian tomatoes are really good for tomato sauce. And then we've got 6 Jersey tomatoes, which, I grew up in New Jersey, so Jersey tomatoes were a big thing. And then we've got 6 cucumber plants, 6 cantaloupe plants. We've got 12 sweet pepper, green pepper plants. And then we've got 3 jalapeno hot peppers and then 3 squash plants. And so we're going to have quite a lot of plants. Hopefully they grow. We've got them on a heat pad because here in North Carolina, the temperatures are still a little bit chilly for, growing seeds outdoors. So indoors, we're going to simulate that it's a warmer time of the year. And we have this greenhouse on top, and I'll close it. You can see what it's going to do. It's basically holding the moisture in. And you can see it's been doing so quite well. Trying to do this one hand here. Okay, so we just leave that on there, and they say between 3 to 6 days we should see some plants coming up. So now it's only been 1 day, so we'll check back here a little bit later. Hope you enjoyed this short, and again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Take care. Bye-bye.